knee injury, you cannot bend. Oh, painful. One of the best technique is using your arm, put at the back like this, and try to snap and pull your hand slightly up, touch a little bit and up. Here the sound, take one sound. So just imagine why I want to do this part. This is open up the two knee, and this hand correct over this part over here, and try to hear the sound top. Here the sound. After that you can try and see there. Oh, quite loosen up a bit. Let's say you're very fat, obesity, or you cannot put your hand underneath. It's very painful. Wow, very painful. I cannot put. I cannot use strength. Doesn't matter. At home you can you get a water bottle also can help. So water bottle, how to do? Same thing. Put it like this on the bed. Put over here and press hard, and you have to fill with water first, easier. Then after that you try to sit on it and sit and push in. So this one, push up. Wow, here's the sound top again. Why I got so many sound on my knee? Oh my god. Oh my god, my knee got really got a lot of sound. You hear the sound? So whenever this technique done already, you can feel the knee bend until the time you put a water bottle or hand. Let's say you didn't have water bottle, you put hand underneath water bottle. When you push in the time, the knee bend the time and down and push in. Then you can feel this part and this part. Hear the sound top. Exactly. Whenever you're not in the right position, when you put the Tupperware, you knock back and try to open up a little bit and down. Exactly same like knuckle. Mr. Lyman, you press back and pop, and the sound same sound. Exactly same sound. This bottle is empty. No. Inside the water. So inside the water, if it's possible, you try to put a full, because why? If you no water, the air inside, then you will decrease the pressure. So the technique is push your leg underneath like this. If you're not using your hand, then the bottle will go down, downward. When down the time, you snap the time, you push this water bottle to up. This is one of the best technique.
詠春葉問。